No textbooks, no boring drills.
Just real talk.
This is TalkMira.
Okay, real talk. I have to confess something embarrassing.
Oh no, what did you do?
So, I once ordered food at an American restaurant, and I said, "Can I get chicken sandwich, please?"
Okay, that sounds fine so far.
The waiter looked at me and said, "A chicken sandwich or the chicken sandwich?"
Oh no.
And I just stood there, completely frozen, like a lost puppy staring at headlights.
Jay, how long did you stand there?
Long enough for it to be awkward. Very awkward.
Okay, I'm trying not to laugh.
You are laughing.
I'm trying not to. Okay, but here's the thing. This exact moment, this is why we made today's episode.
Because apparently, A and the can make or break your sandwich order.
And so much more than that. By the end of today, you will never have that frozen waiter moment. Ever again.
I'm Jay.
I'm Mira. And this is TalkMira, your weekly English fix. No textbooks, no boring drills, just real talk. Today we're covering one thing, but it's a big one. A, an, and the. Three tiny words that confuse almost every English learner on the planet.
And by the end of this episode, you will know exactly when to use each one. No guessing, no panic, just confidence.
We cover two rules today. Just two. Simple, clear, and you'll remember them forever.
Okay, Mira, I have a question for you. About dog I saw in park.
The dog? In park? Which park? Which dog?
I don't know what I did wrong.
Oh, Jay. Perfect. Let's fix this right now.
Okay, Mira, I have a question for you. About a dog I saw in the park near my house.
Beautiful. Did you hear that difference? Because that is everything. And before we explain, if you made exactly Jay's mistake just now, you are not alone. Millions of English learners make this every single day, including people who have studied English for 10, 15 years. You don't have a grammar problem. You just needed someone to explain it the right way. Okay, here's the real reason a and the confuse you, and it has nothing to do with grammar rules.
Then what is it?
It's about information, whether the listener already knows what you're talking about or not.
Wait, say that again?
Think of it like this. Imagine you're texting a friend. You say, "I just saw a dog." Your friend thinks, "Okay, some random dog." Any dog. One of many dogs in the world.
Fair. There are a lot of dogs.
But now you text, "I just saw the dog." Your friend immediately thinks, "Wait, which dog?" A specific dog we both already know about. The one from before. The one with the missing ear. That dog.
Oh. So A means new information, something the listener doesn't know yet. And the means we both already know this thing?
Exactly. A introduces something new. The points to something specific, something already in the conversation.
This is it's like tagging someone in a photo. A dog is just any random photo in the world. The dog is when you tag that specific dog your friend already knows.
Jay, that is actually perfect. Yes, exactly like that.
I have my moments.
You do. Okay, what about an?
Yes, where does an come in?
An is just a, but used before words that start with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U.
So, an apple, an umbrella, an hour.
Yes, an hour. Even though hour starts with H, it sounds like it starts with O. So, an hour. Your ears decide, not your eyes.
Wait, your ears decide? Not how it's spelled?
Your ears decide, always. If the word sounds like it starts with A, E, I-O-U, use an. If not, use a.
Nobody ever told me that. Not once.
And now you know. Forever.
Okay, let's try this. I'm going to talk and you tell me if I get it right.
I'm ready. Don't embarrass yourself.
No promises. Okay, so yesterday I went to a cafe near my office. I ordered an orange juice and a sandwich. The sandwich was amazing, by the way. It was the one Mira recommended last week.
Wait, did you just...
Get it all right? Yes, I did.
Okay, I'm actually impressed. Everyone, did you hear that? Jay used a cafe. New information. We didn't know which cafe. An orange juice, because orange starts with a vowel sound. A sandwich. New item introduced. And then the sandwich, because now we already know which sandwich he means. All correct, without even thinking.
I did it. I actually did it.
You did. And so can everyone listening right now. Quick fix time. Wrong. I saw dog in park. No articles. Sounds incomplete. Right. I saw a dog in the park. A for new, the for known. Remember, your ears choose a or an. Your context chooses a or the. You just learned something today that most people spend years being confused about. Be proud of that.
Honestly, I wish someone had explained it like a photo tag years ago. Would have saved me a very awkward restaurant moment.
And a very confused waiter.
And a very confused waiter, yes.
If today's episode helped you, subscribing takes literally 1 second, and it genuinely means the world to us. We make this for you every single week.
I'm Jay.
I'm Mira.
Keep talking.
Keep growing. This is TalkMira.